Today's we are going to learn the remaining problem in a problem set 1. आज आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट सराव संच 1 मधील उर्वरित उदाहरणांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत, ज्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन क्रमांक 4 आणि क्वेश्चन क्रमांक 5 यामध्ये काही सब क्वेश्चन आहेत. त्या प्रश्नांचा आपण सविस्तर अभ्यास या ठिकाणी करणार आहोत. Question number 4. Find the value of each of the following determinant. First example, in determinant 4, 2, 3, 7. To find the value of this determinant, first to multiply 4 multiply 7 minus 3 multiply 2. Then we get 28 minus 6 is equal to 22. Second determinant is in determinant 5 minus 3 minus 2, 1. To find the value of this determinant, 5 multiply 1 minus 3 multiply minus 2. 5 into 1 is the 5, minus plus minus is a minus. Therefore 5 minus 3 to the 6. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Greater number has negative sign. Answer is negative. And third determinant 3, 1 minus 1, 4. To find the value of this determinant, 3 multiply 4 minus this minus 1 multiply 1 minus is a plus. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Question number 5. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's method. Cramer's method ने खाली दिलेली एक सामायिक समीकरणे सोडवा. First, 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. 3x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. First, give the name of equation. 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, equation number 1. And 3x plus 5y minus 8 goes on RHS side, then we get plus 8. Therefore 3x plus 5y is equal to 8, equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2 comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. First equation comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, therefore a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 10. And equation 2 comparing with a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 5, c2 is equal to 8. By using Cramer's rule method, first to find determinant d, dx, dy, and by using Cramer's rule, then we get value of variable. First to find the value of determinant d. In determinant a1, a2, b1, b2, substitute the value 6, 3, minus 3, 5. To find the value of this determinant, 6 multiply 5 minus 3 multiply 3. Then we get 6 5 are 30, minus plus 3 3 are 9. 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. The next to find determinant dx. Dx is equal to in determinant first column c1 c2, second column b1 b2 is equal to c1 is the minus 10, c2 is equal to 8, b1 is equal to minus 3, b2 is equal to 5. To find the value of the determinant, minus 10 multiply 5 minus 3 multiply 8. Minus 10 into 5 is a minus 50, minus plus 3 8s are 24. Minus 50 plus 24 is equal to minus 26. Dx is equal to minus 26. And to find dy, in determinant first column a1 a2, second column contains c1 c2. Substitute the value 6 3 minus 10 8. Then we get 6 8 multiply minus 10 multiply 3. 6 8 48 minus plus 10 3 are 30. 48 plus 30 is equal to 78. Dy is equal to 78. By using Cramer's rule, therefore x is equal to dx upon d is equal to minus 26 upon 39 divided by 13 at numerator and denominator. 13 to the 26, 13 3s are 39. Then we get x is equal to minus 2 upon 3. And y is equal to dy upon d. dy is a 78 upon 39 divided by 3. 13 6 are 78, 13 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Hence, x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Four m minus 2n is equal to minus 4 and 4m plus 3n is equal to 16. First, give the name of equation. First equation is 4m minus 2n is equal to minus 4 and equation number 2 is 4m plus 3n is equal to 16. Equation 1 and 2 comparing with a1m plus b1n is equal to c1, a2m plus b2n is equal to c2. First equation comparing with a1m plus b1n is equal to c1, therefore a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 4. And second equation comparing with a2m plus b2n is equal to c2, therefore a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to 16. First, to find determinant D, in determinant A1, A2, B1, B2, substitute the value A1 is equal to 4, A2 is equal to 4, B1 is equal to minus 2, B2 is equal to 3. To find the value of this determinant, 4 multiply 3 minus 2 multiply 4. 4 3s are 12, minus minus is a plus, 2 4s are 8. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Therefore, determinant D is equal to 20. Next, to find determinant dm. Here variable is a m and n, then determinant is a dm. In determinant C1, C2, B1, B2, substitute the value. C1 is equal to minus 4, C2 is equal to 16, B1 is equal to minus 2, B2 is equal to 3. To find the value of the determinant, minus 4 multiply 3 minus of minus 2 multiply 16. 4 3s are 12, minus 12, and minus minus plus 32, plus 32 minus 12 is equal to plus 20. Similarly, to find dn, in determinant a1, a2, c1, c2, substitute the value. Therefore, c1 is equal to minus a1 is equal to 4, a2 is equal to 4, c1 is equal to minus 4, c2 is equal to 16. 4 multiply 16 minus of minus 4 multiply 4. 16 into 4 is a plus 64, minus minus plus 4 4 is a 16. 64 plus 16 is equal to 80. dn is equal to 80. By using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule is a m is equal to dm upon d, 20 upon 20 is equal to 1. And n is equal to dn upon d, 80 upon 20, 24 is 80 is equal to n is equal to 4. Therefore, m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Problem number 3. 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. First, given equation write in a general form. A1x plus by is equal to c. Here 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 2. On RHS side, denominator 2 goes down LHS side, then we get multiply. 2 multiply 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. 2 3s are 6, x minus 2 2s are 4y is equal to 5. Equation number 1. And second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This 3 goes down LHS side, then you get multiply. 3 multiply 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. In this 3 get cancel. 3 multiply in a bracket each of every terms. 3 get cancel. 3 3s are 9. X plus 9y is equal to minus 4. Equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2 comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Therefore, From equation 1, comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 5. And second equation, comparing with a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 9, c2 is equal to minus 4. First find determinant D. Determinant D is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2 is equal to 6 1 minus 4 9. Substitute the value a1 a2 b1 b2. Then we get the value of determinant 6 multiply 9 minus of minus 4 multiply 1. 6 into 9 minus minus 4 multiply 1. Then we get 9 6 are 54 plus minus minus is a plus, 4 ones are 4. 54 plus 4 is equal to 58. Therefore, the value of determinant D is equal to 58. Dx is equal to, in determinant C1, C2, B1, B2. C1 is the 5 minus 4 minus 4, 9. It is a cross multiplication. 9 into 5 is a 45. 4 multiply 9 minus minus 4 multiply minus 4. 5 nines are 45. Here is minus minus plus and plus minus minus. 4 4 are 16. 45 minus 16 is equal to 29. And to find the value of dy is equal to, in determinant a1 a2 c1 c2. a1 is equal to 6, a2 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 5, c2 is equal to minus 4. Then to find the value of the determinant, 6 multiply minus 4 minus 5 multiply 1. 6 minus 4 is a minus 24 minus 5. Both number has negative. Their addition is negative number. Minus 24 minus 5 is equal to minus 29. By using Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d, 29 upon 58, 1 upon 2. And y is equal to dy upon d, minus 29 upon 58. 29 2s are 58 minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is the solution of a given simultaneous equation. X is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Seven x plus 3y is equal to 15. 12y minus 5x is equal to 39. First equation, 7x plus 3y is equal to 15, equation number 1. And here first write the x variable term, minus 5x plus 12y is equal to 39, equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2 comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 15, and a2 is equal to minus 5, b2 is equal to 12, c2 is equal to 39. The determinant D is equal to, in determinant a1 a2 b1 b2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 7, a2 is equal to minus 5, b1 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 12. To find the value of this determinant, 12 multiply 7 minus of minus 5 multiply 3. Then we get 12 into 7 is 84 minus minus plus 15 is equal to 99. And the value of dx is equal to, in determinant c1 c2 b1 b2 is equal to 15 39 3 12. Substitute the value c1 c2 b1 and b2. To find the value of determinant, 12 multiply 15 minus 3 multiply 39 is equal to 15 multiply 12 is a 180 minus 117 is equal to 63. The determinant dx is equal to 63. And dy is equal to, in determinant a1 a2 c1 c2, its value 7 minus 5 15 39. To find the value of determinant, 7 multiply 39 minus 15 multiply minus 5, then we get 7 multiply 39 is a 273 plus minus minus is a plus, 15 5 is a 75. Sum of these two numbers is a 348. Therefore, dy is equal to 348. By using Cramer's rule, then we get x is equal to dx upon d, 63 upon 99. 9 divide at numerator and denominator, then we get 9 7s are 63, 9 1 9 1 9, 7 upon 11, and y is equal to dy upon d, 348 upon 99. 348 and 99 divided by 3, then we get 116 upon 33. This is the answer. Therefore, x is equal to 7 upon 11 and y is equal to 116 upon 33 is the solution of given simultaneous equation.